Do not buy DVI to VGA adapter. Guys, this DVI VGA adapter is of no use. So you will waste your money. To show you this, I will use this adapter with first with DVI computer to VGA monitor, and then I will use this adapter with VGA computer to DVI monitor. Let's start. So I have a DVI computer now. So what I will do, I will first show you that my computer is working and my setup is okay. To show you my setup, what I will do, I will connect my one end of this DVI cable. So here's my DVI cable. So I will connect one end of my DVI cable to my computer, and now other end of the DVI cable will go to my monitor. See guys, so it's working. Now what we will do, we will connect this adapter to this PC, so that DVI side to DVI connector. Now we will use our VGA cable to connect one end of this cable to this PC, to this adapter, and now we will connect this other end to our monitor. See guys, so there is no signal. Now just to check this cable whether this cable is working or not, so I will connect it to my another computer just to show you whether this cable is working or not, and my monitor's port is working or not, VGA port is working or not. So here's my laptop having VGA port, so I will connect other end of the cable to my laptop. So see guys, it's VGA is working. Now again we will check that connector. Again we will connect this cable to this connector to this adapter, and see guys, there's no signal. So the first method is failed. So from DVI to VGA monitor, it's not working. So now what we will do, we will try it from VGA. So here's my VGA laptop. So I will connect one end of the VGA. Now what we will do, we will connect our adapter to VGA of our monitor to see whether it's working or not. So now what I will do, I will take this cable out. And now I will connect this connector to my monitor, and now I will take other cable out as well, and now I will connect to this adapter. And see guys, so I can change the source for you, even it's automatically changed, just to show you. So guys, it says digital and there is no screen. So I have showed you in both ways. So guys, do not buy this adapter. This adapter is of no use. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.